In this video, I will show you how to change an address on USPS package that has already been shipped. So the main thing is, if the USPS package has already been shipped, you cannot directly change its delivery address like you can set it. So what you can do is simply click on Chrome or any web browser, search for the USPS.com, then click on it. In the top left corner, you will see this 3 lines menu bar. Click on it. Then click on Receive on this down arrow. From here, you can click on Intercept a package. Now in this corner, you can put in your tracking number, then check if your item is still eligible for intercepting. So if your package is eligible for intercepting, you will simply have to fill in the retail package intercept request. After you submit the request, you will also have to pay the fee of $19.45. And after that, your shipment will be redirected to the location that you requested. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.